Alright, I'm not sure how useful this video will be because this is a very old computer, but I'm going to show how to disassemble it. This is an HP Compaq dc7100 SFF, okay? HP dc7100 SFF, base unit all, and then the part number is DX878AV. Alright, so what you want to do to open this thing up, there's two little buttons on the sides here, one here and then one on the other side. So what you want to do, let's see if I can show this, is you squeeze both those buttons, and then when you squeeze that, you pull this cover forward like that. Alright, once you pull that forward, the whole cover will come off just like this. So this is just going to be a quick video. I did upgrade this to an SSD for the customer. This fan was bad, so to repair the fan, I took this little cover off, and then I have a fan repair video, but basically you can take this sticker off, there's a rubber cover, and then you can put grease in there. I took this fan out with the screws mounted there. But anyways, I'm going to put this back on. So this is just going to be a quick look video, okay? Let's see if I can tuck that cable in there. Alright, so what we need to do to get to the hard drive, let me flip this over here. I'm going to zoom in a bit because we're going to just focus on this area. The rest I'm not really going to talk about much. There's RAM, it's very basic desktop type stuff. So the main thing I'm going to do is talking about how to get to the hard drive. Alright, so to get to the hard drive, first thing you want to do, on the front here, if I can show this, there's this green button. So you push on that, you push it down, and when you push this button down, you can actually slide this CD drive forward, just like this. We're not going to slide it all the way out, but we're just going to slide it forward so that we have access to the hard drive below. After that, you got this piece here. This just actually flips upwards like this, okay? This is the power supply. So this is a special power supply. If you need to replace it, you can't just go and buy any random power supply, okay? And then for the hard drive here, there's this green bar here. So you push this green bar out this way, and then you can actually slide this over. So you can slide it that way, okay, towards the CD drive. Once you slide it that way, you can actually lift this whole thing up. So pretend this is the hard drive because this is the SSD I upgraded with. But basically we just put back the mounts, these little screws, the same place where we got it from the old hard drive. But to remove these connectors, you just pull them out, okay, just like this. That's the SATA connector. So normally this is a 3.5-inch hard drive. This is like a solid piece normally, but I upgraded it to an SSD. I cloned the hard drive to this SSD, and then I just mounted it back. So these screws are using, you can either use a flathead screwdriver or T8 or Torx, or not T8, T10, Torx 10 screwdriver. And then this bracket, it just uses its own screws depending what you buy. Okay? And because there's not much slack here, you do want to find a bracket that will allow you to mount the connector in the same spot as the original. And then also you want to mount the screws in the same spot as the original. Okay? After you do that, you basically just reconnect these cables. Just like that. Alright. And we should be good to go. So once you get those in, you'll see here, you'll notice there's the notches here. So you want to slide the screws back to that notch. Alright. Push it down and then slide the whole hard drive over. This piece clicks into place so that it's locked in. Drop this back down. Same thing with the CD drive, you just slide it back over, okay? Just push it back in. This little green thing, you should hear it click into place. Or actually, you'll kind of feel it. I guess it doesn't make a loud click, but when you push it in, you'll notice it clicks and then it stays. You can't pull it back out. Alright, and then put back the cover. So to put back the cover, let me zoom back out. Alright. You have the front of the part of the cover further out than the base, okay? Just drop it back in place. Make sure that the sides clear on either end, okay? Just like that, alright? And then you can see it slides around, and then just slide it back in, it locks. And that's pretty much all there is to this. To upgrade to SSD, the RAM and everything, it's very standard. You just have those little pull tabs and you pop it out. But yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys upgrade your computer to an SSD. If it did, please like and subscribe, help others find my videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you're curious about other models, I got a whole bunch of videos. If you watch even just like 5 different videos, different models, different brands, you'll almost guaranteed be able to take apart every single laptop or computer, or at least 90+% of them. Alright, so anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!